Riri thukuru nyingi cia university cia muingi irathie na mbere kugumirwo ni wagi wa mbeca na gucungirira aruti wira aingi acio guthie mieri maingi matari na mishara. Riu minister wa utungata wa muingi na ukinyaniria wa tabarira cia thirikari Moses KURIA ni arutite mukana kuri arugamiriri ya university ici magacirithia mitaratara ya kwirugamirira kimbeca. KURIA ugite mathina maingi maria magomeire mathukuru maya maumanite na witangi na uhuthiri moru wa mbeca cia muingi.
I'm also asking public universities, which are also state corporations. The government is doing its part, the president is doing his part, the minister is doing his part. Now it's up to you. There is no excuse. There is no excuse for not having prudent financial management. Through the new financing scheme for our universities, we are sure that our universities can be afloat. We are sure that our universities can break even.
Akiaria ari mwena wa Naivasha hindi ya kigomano kia arũgamĩrĩri honge itiganĩte cia thirikari. KURIA ugite thirikari ni kwendia honge ciothe cia muingi iria itarathondeka baita kuri andu kiumbe.
KICC, before we had the climate summit, it was known more for the mende and the rats that are running inside that building. When we try to privatize, timunauza. It is our heritage. Is poverty your heritage?
Ni ongereire kuga ni kieha kuona hari makiria ma honge 350 cia thirikari no honge nini tu ikoretwo ikiandikithia baita o mwaka guku nyingi ciacio ikiandikithia hathara ya mamilioni ma mbeca.
Today 5% of you are giving dividends to government. 5%. Yet Kenya Commercial Bank, for which Kenya government only owns 17%, it is giving more dividends to government than all of you combined. Because people who are there and who are using their brain that time, they privatized Kenya Commercial Bank, which one day was a full-fledged parastatal. Today, Kenya government owns only 35% of Safaricom. Safaricom gives Kenya government more dividends than all of you combined.
KURIA ni okirire kiama kia mawakiri guku bururi-ini LSK ni undu wakio kugiria motungata ma ruhonge rwa magoti maheanagwo kuri muingi kugerera ceceni cia Huduma Centers guothe bururi-ini. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.